Hi everyone, I hope that you are all doing well, or as well as you could be doing during this global pandemic. Like many of you, I have been doing my best to work at home. And so, of course, I've been on a ton of Zoom calls during work hours and then FaceTime calls after work hours to hang out with family and friends. And I just wanted to share my everyday Zoom and FaceTime makeup on my MacBook. So, yeah, I hope that you all enjoy watching me do my makeup, my everyday makeup. Okay, so I already moisturized my face, but I'm just gonna go ahead and clip my hair back a little bit. I don't know what this is doing, but it's there. So, I am going to just start by putting on some eyeshadow primer. This is just the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And then I'm just doing this Becca primer that is almost gone. Oh Lord, that is not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted at all. Yikes. Okay, that is a lot. I am going to be very, very shiny, which isn't bad. I still really enjoy like a glowy face, even when I'm at home working, because you know what? I really don't see the sun that much. That was still a lot, but it's fine. We will get through it. When I'm working from home, I still want a little bit of coverage, so I've just been using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. Okay, now I am going to use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer just a little bit under my eyes. So, how have you all been feeling lately? Because I feel like most days are a struggle for me. I don't know, it's just a lot of ups and downs, and I don't know, if you all have been following me on Instagram, I've been pretty open about like how I've been feeling throughout the days and just processing my thoughts. Anyway, I didn't want to talk about the Rona that much, so we're going to change the subject, and we're also going to do our brows. I just use like a brow pencil. This one's from ColourPop. I buy a lot from ColourPop. Oh my god, it was so wild. So right before all of this shit hit the fan, I bought like a lot of new stuff on ColourPop because they came out with that Mulan collection. I didn't want too much from the Mulan collection, but I wanted some stuff. And so I had placed an order, and then guess what? We got that email that said, hey, we are not shipping orders out as fast as we usually would, so you can cancel your order or you can wait for it. And I'm just like, all right. Luckily, I don't have to fill in my brows too much. After all, I was named after the actress Christian Alfonso. My mom, when she was pregnant with me, was watching Days of Our Lives all the time, and she was just in love with Christian Alfonso and her super full brows and just everything about her. And so she named me after Christian Alfonso. I am just gonna go in and powder my face a little bit. I'm just gonna lightly dust a loose powder under my eyes as well. I've been using the ColourPop Blush Crush palette. It was one of my last purchases before the Rona, and I'm very lucky that I got this. I also got the Sailor Moon collection, which I really need to use. I'm thinking about doing like a challenge for myself of just using all of the unused palettes that I have. I'm just going in with the super light shade here, just as like a wash over my lids. The other thing that happened before the Rona was that I actually bought a ton of really cute spring work clothes that honestly, I mean, I could wear it, but like, why? I'm one of those people, because I'm a Libra rising, where like my outfits shouldn't be wasted. It sounds really shallow, I know, but some of you get me. Some of you get me. Okay, it's not like I touched anything besides my makeup and my face just now, but I washed my hands anyway, because you should be. I'm going to use this light pink satiny color, mid-tone pink satiny color, and that's just going to go right here. Okay, so I'm also going to go in with this more mauve-y color here. That's just going to go over top of that same pink that we used. I literally have a meeting in 8 minutes. Okay, after that I use this color, a little bit more purpley, and I just put that a little bit lower from those mauves and pinks. And then I use like a flat top brush, and I just go in with that same like purpley mauve color, and I just put that, I just pat that on my lid. So the rest of the makeup is also super simple. I'm just using a bronzer. This is a super old bronzer, and just doing like a nice light wash all over the perimeters of my face. It just like adds a little bit of color back into my skin. And then for highlight, we are going to use the Dose of Colors Desi Katy. I think this is Mirame. That is exactly what I want. Like I said, I still want to look like I'm glowing and seeing the sun, even when I only go outside maybe like 40 minutes a day, while practicing good physical distancing between other folks, obviously. Okay, and then I'm also gonna, I got makeup in my contact. Help. It's a new contact too. That's so annoying. Please, why? I just put this contact in and I have a meeting in 3 minutes. Okay, crisis averted. I took my contact out. I cleaned it. She's good. We're good. We're gonna hurry up and finish the makeup look. So I'm gonna continue using Mirame, and I'm just gonna take a little pointed brush and put that in the inner corners just to brighten it up. She's great. I love it. Okay, I'm using this Milani blush. I'm using this Milani blush that is pink toned. I don't know what happened. This started so easy and chill, and then all of a sudden it turned into a chaotic mess. But here we are. Last couple of steps. I'm just gonna go in with this setting spray. It's by Pacifica. It's the Crystal Dew setting spray made with like rose quartz and flower extracts. Y'all, I cannot get over this highlight. So pretty. Okay, and then we're just going to put eyeliner on. Actually, I'm going to set my brows first, so I'm just using a clear brow gel. And then I'm using just a felt tip liner pen, my fave. This eyeliner is drying out a little bit, which means I need to buy a new one, but I don't want to go to the store. RIP. Okay, last steps. I don't like to wear mascara when I'm just chilling at home, so I'm just going to curl my lashes a little bit. I mean, like, who likes to wear mascara if you're just going to be at home? Then it's just like a struggle to wash off at night. I'm just not trying to do that. Just like I'm not trying to wear a bra if I'm at home. Like, why? Props to folks who do wear a bra or false lashes, mascara, and all that. More power to you. I am just not here for it for myself, you know? That's it. I just use my Fenty Gloss Bomb, and then we put the earrings on because the hoop earrings just complete the look. You see what a difference that made? And there we go. There we have it. My everyday Zoom FaceTime makeup. And this is even what my makeup looks like in a dark part of my room. What else? I can show you what it looks like in a more yellow environment. Do you see how good I still look even in terrible lighting? I still look fresh and glowy, and you can still tell that I have makeup on, my lip gloss is popping, and this is literally where I have most of my meetings. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed hanging out with me a little bit today. It was good to just be in front of the camera and talk and hang out and do my makeup. So I'll see you all again soon. Bye!